Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the debate today. Today we have two teams, proposition team and opposition team. We will be debating the topic. This house believes that AI tools should be banned from school. So let's come to the first speakers from each team. Can you please come to the podium? Okay. Before we start, can you please introduce about yourself and your team members? Let's start with proposition team first.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kang Ven. I'm in class ES7A, and my team members is Phương Linh.
Okay. And the opposition
My
team.
name is Như Quỳnh and my team had three members, me, Hoàng Anh and Tuấn Minh.
Okay. So for the first round, each person will have 3 minutes to deliver your speech. We will start with the proposition team first. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we will start in 3, 2, 1.
Now we ask today's proposition strongly believe that motion AI should be banned from school is true. As today's proposition, we have structured our case as follows. I will begin by presenting AI tools bring negative impacts on student learning. Our second speaker, Phương Linh, will show you student overuse AI tools lead to cheating. And our third argument will discuss by me about AI gives wrong information and affects users' privacy. Let me come to our team's first argument. AI means computer programs or machines that can do smart tasks and even learning from experience, almost like the way people think and learn. So AI tools are software applications that use machine learning to perform learning. Thầy ơi, quay lại được không?
Keep going.
Learning to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Our first argument, AI brings negative impacts on student learning. First of all, the reason why we are proposing this motion is AI makes students passive and lazy because AI can quickly give answers, so students copy but don't think by themselves. The next reason is AI don't have developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Also, many students depend on AI tools. They do homework but don't really understand. Further, when we use AI tools, we often need to use electronic devices. Therefore, if this affects our health, especially the eyes, if used regularly. For evidence, according to the New York Times in 2023, some universities are also developing measures to prevent students from using AI to complete their homework and write essays without using brain. Moreover, nowadays, many students use the exact text generated by AI without reading again or checking it. This makes it hard for teachers to know their real ability.
First of all, the proposition came that AI.
So that's the end of your speech.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let's come to the speech from the first speaker of proposition team. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we will start in 3, 2, 1.
First of all, the proposition came that AI will have a negative effect student learning. First, it is not completely misleading because if students use it effectively and wisely, it also helps student learning better, improve score, and also help students understand the hard topic or difficult subject. In fact, many students need to struggle with math and science, but teacher can always teach each student one by one, but also AI can explain again step by step for students. It also helps provide and create an example for students to do it, and it will point out the mistake and correct it, and so students can know where they went wrong and review carefully this mistake. For the independence, according to a 2024 student survey, 72% students said AI helped them understand the hard topic more quickly and easier, and it made students more really to learning. First, let's come to the came. Instead of banned AI in school, why school doesn't teach them how to use AI? In the future, AI will be used in the most every job. So if they banned AI, it means students don't know how to use AI, and they will lose the chance to develop their thinking skill. And when they go to the applied job, school applied job, it's more harder than they know they know how to use AI to do this job. And when school teach them how to use in the long term, students know and will develop the work technology, build a society more modern, and it also help extend and research more interesting and new knowledge about the work technology.
So that's helpful.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you both. First speakers from each team. You may now pass the mic to the second speakers. Okay, in this round, each speaker will have 4 minutes to deliver your speech. You will have POI, which means points of information. You can raise the questions to the opposite speaker after the first 30 seconds until 3 minutes and 30 seconds, which means the first 30 seconds and the last 30 seconds is protected and you cannot ask any question. We will start with the proposition team first. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Proposition, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you will start your speech in 3, 2, 1.
First, I want to rebut New Queen opinion. She actually said that AI to save student time and improve teaching efficiency. But in fact, AI can replace creativity and flexibility the teacher bring to class, and using AI too much uh, may reduce direct communication between teacher and student, which can lower the real quality of teaching. And a 2023 UNESCO survey found that 40% of teachers spend time checking generate content. And second, let's go to why uh, AI AI tools have student cheating. A lot of students now abusing on AI tools. They copying every assessment the AI given. Too much dependence on AI can also limit student creativity, and it will be hard for teachers to know their real ability because they use AI to do homework and tests. AI give ready answer, so students may stop thinking and lose their real ability.
Because of that reason, students can have a good future and and they already lost their real skill. For evidence, many educators consider that students use AI to cheating. A user need to provide AI tool with a question, and this automatically generate a 5-paragraph essay. And in 2022, an interview showed that several students submit a very similar homework and can explain why when the teacher asks, according to the Guardian. That's the end of my opinion.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's come to the second speaker from the opposition
Yes.
team. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we will start in 3, 2, 1.
Firstly, at all secondary or high school, there will be not cheating because it on exam in class. Teacher will collect all electronic device and phone. Therefore, cheating will rarely happen and almost no one can cheating during exam. Secondary, all students will have to use their own abilities to finish the test. Finally, students can use AI in highly rigorous exams such as grade 10 entrance exam and national high school exam. For example, in Vietnam national or high school or secondary school exam, all students must hand in their phone before entering the exam room. So I too can use to cheat. For my for my current reason, some students don't have any friend. They don't have one to talking or sharing about their life. They often have more boring or stress, but they can sharing their problem because they feel shy and they don't have enough confidence and not trustworthy. So they usually talking, sharing all their life and confide with AI, and it can help students give or have helpful and good advice. Sometimes maybe it's not useful, but it helps students reduce a little stress or anxiety. At my evidence, in fact, we can see teenagers always confide their problem with AI to share life story because they think all will be a trustworthy friend and it will not share their story or secret. So,
That is all.
yes,
Okay,
that's all.
please tell us when you finish. Okay. Thank you, the second speakers from each team. Now you
Không,
may
cái
pass
máy.
the mic
Hả?
to the third speaker
Không
from
phải.
your team. Okay, so in this round, you will also have 4 minutes, and the same POI rules is applied to this round. Okay, we will start with proposition team first. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start in 3, 2, 1.
The second opposition speaker has told us that AI tools can be a friend of students. However, depending too much on AI may also reduce critical thinking and solving skills. AI also can give loss of wrong information, which leads to wrong knowledge. Moreover, students may become passive and just copy the answers without understanding. Now let's move to our third argument. AI gives wrong information and affects users' privacy. Sometimes AI gives wrong information, and if students don't check again and still copy, it will lead to a lack of understanding. The next reason is AI can leak information and violate users' privacy. Further, these tools regularly collect, process, and store personal data, including sensitive information that raise privacy issues. Now, there are many examples for this, such as according to BBC News in 2024, many universities in American ban AI because of students' safety. For example, AI collect users' information through online platforms can abuse in cyber attacks. Besides, in 2022, a law company accused an AI tool for using people's online data without respect for their privacy. That is the end of my speech.
Okay, thank you. Now let's come to the third speaker from the opposition team. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, your time will start in 3, 2, 1.
AI can give false information, but only respond based on trained data. When a data source is verified, the operation process is transparent and has human supervision. AI will provide accurate information, limiting errors. Moreover, AI is always updated and improved and can learn references, helping users to compare and verify. AI only work on the data provided if the data has been verified and supervised. The information AI gives is always accurate and cannot be misleading. Many students have difficulties in self-learning, but teachers cannot always help students one by one, but AI can reteach and reteach more quickly and easily, so AI helps students learn easier and faster, especially of students in poor areas where there's not enough good teachers. AI can be a private tutor for students. That's the end of my opinion.
Okay, so that's the end of the third round. Now you may pass the mic to the person who is in charge of the last round, which is the reply round. Okay, so in this round, each speaker will only have 2 minutes to summarize what have been debating in between two teams today. So we will start with the opposition team first. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, we will start in 3, 2, 1.
I'm pleased to welcome for the last time today oppositions. It's now my pleasure to summarize this debate. We are on the opposite side to show three key points. First, AI is just a tool to support and help humans in life. It has to both disadvantage and advantage. Whether it's used effectively or not, it depends on the user. And when the problem happens, the fault lies on in how to people use it, and we can blame AI. It's the main reason that cause harm serious to humans. Second, away not away bad. AI helps students study more better, improve score, and also it saves and manage student times, and it helps them reduce stress or anxiety in school. Finally, if schools are allowed students to use AI and teach them how to use effectively and wisely, in the long term, students can develop the technology world and technology world and build a society more modern. And if the world improve, the education will improve, and it means the education will improve and students can extend and research more new and interesting knowledge, and the mystery in education can include this knowledge in textbooks for student learning. That's the end of my summary.
Okay, thank you. Now let's come to the reply speech from the proposition team. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start in 3, 2, 1.
In conclusion, AI tools bring many bad effects. It give a quick answer, so a lot of students are lazy of thinking and make students lose their creativity and their real ability, and also it can leak information and violate privacy. So because of that reason, we shouldn't use AI too much, and so it can make us lose own thinking and can have a good future. We should use AI like a tool to have giving idea and search information, and therefore I beg you guys to propose the motion that AI should be banned at school. That's all.
Okay, thank you. So that will also conclude our debate today. Thank you so much.